It is that time again where we pack our kids some lunch for them to go to school. So today the girls are having spaghetti and this chicken. So I find this chicken on my local supermarket and I said, you know what? I have to try this one. But the girls, they also love it. It's really nice and crunchy. So I said, you know what? I definitely will buy it again. So they're going to be having this with some spaghetti. It's just the normal spaghetti that we can get. Any type of spaghetti can go for this one. So but my kids love spaghetti, so any type of spaghetti, they are just good with it. So it's always a very easy option for me to make for pack for them when they are going to school, because it also gets done very fast. So and they don't like when I put too many things on the spaghetti. They just like the spaghetti to be very simple and very basic, and that is what I do for my kids. So I just take the spaghetti and I cut it into half, and the reason why I do that is just because it's easy for them to eat it than when I just cook it like that, when it's too long and they just can't grab it to eat it. Okay, so it's just making things easy, more especially when I lunch for school is not gonna be at home, because at home they can actually take their time to eat something, but in school they want to be fast, so you want to just make things easy as possible for them. So I cut it into half and just put it in the pot and it goes in the fire. While the spaghetti is cooking, I went ahead and started prepping the fruits for them, which today on the fruits we have some of these grapes. They love grapes, and the only problem I usually have with grapes is that if grapes, you can't keep them in the fridge for too long, so they can only have, maybe let's say if I buy today, they will have it today and tomorrow, but then after that they go off. The same with strawberries. They love strawberries, but again, strawberries, they do not last in the fridge unless it's just me who doesn't know how to keep it. But anyway, I just have some strawberries as well. I just wanted to get rid of them because they were going off. Like the strawberries, they just don't last in the fridge. I don't know why. But anyway, the same with the grapes. Again, they don't last in the fridge. And so that's what they are having today. They are having some grapes, some strawberries, and probably I will add another fruit. I will see how I get on with these ones. So I went ahead and just cut the strawberries into half like this. So when you cut the part in the middle and then cut it into half, it kind of become like a heart shape like this, and the girls are always excited with that one. So I just cut them and then I will wash them, making sure that they are clean. So that is why I put it in separate bowls, so that it will be easy for me to wash it. And for the grapes as well, the grapes I do cut them into half, and that's because it's the bigger grapes, I only cut them in half. You can see the red grapes, I didn't cut them because they were small, so I felt like I don't need to. Now when it comes to these type of things, you do what is more suitable for your kids. You know your kids more than anyone else. So my kids is just the bigger grapes, which were the green grapes. I cut them into half, but the red ones I didn't cut them because they are small and my kids will manage it very well. Now it is time for me to just preheat the thermos so that I can put the hot food for them. So I just put the hot water into the thermos and put it aside for about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the time that you have. So this is the time that I have on my hand. So I put it in I put the water and put it aside. So while it is heating, I'll be getting the snack box ready as well. So snack box is just usually I would have the same, where I will have the fruits and whatever they have to snack as well, but this time I have them separate because I don't know, it is just what it is. I just decided to be extra this day. But anyway, I just put some of these cookies. Again, it was our first time trying these cookies. They are mini cookies, like it's a tiny packet of cookies, and there's about like 10 cookies inside, like very tiny ones, okay, not the normal cookies, just the tiny things. but they taste exactly like a cookie, okay? And then I take a packet of crisps and share it between the two of them, depending on how much do I have. So I think I had maybe the last packet here, so I shared between the two of them. Is perfect for them. That is their lunch. For the snack part done, so I'll put that aside and go back into the hot food. Remember that I was cooking the chicken, so this is the chicken goujons, and I think it's kind of a new product in my local supermarket. So I cook that and then take it out and cut it into small pieces. Again, this is just to make things easy for the kids, for them to eat. If you cut food into small pieces, you can, if you have grown-up kids, you can just shove the chicken goujon into the lunchbox. Now these were big, so it was almost the size of a chicken fillet, but it's a chicken goujon. And so I went ahead and just put that into small pieces and put it aside. Then I bring back my the thermos again. Remember, I put the hot water just to preheat it. Now I'll empty the hot water and then I will start packing the spaghetti. Remember, the spaghetti I was cooking is now done, so it's time for me to actually put it into the thermos, and it was a kind of a little bit messy, but yeah, it is what it is. So we just keep moving. All right, so I put the spaghetti into the thermos. So these thermoses, we have these for a very long time. I think from when they start, I would say I have these for over 4 years. They are one of my best thermoses, and the reason why I love them, they are not plastic, and I do use them as well for my husband because they are big enough for an adult as well. So I love them. They just, like, you know, they are not the plastic ones, so that's what I love about them. I can't remember how much they were. They are not on Amazon anymore because it was a long time since I have them. So but I'm sure there will be something that is similar to this one. They also have a spoon inside there. That white part, you can open it and have a spoon, and they have these handles as well. So they were so cute, and when I bought it, like, they were just so cute. They came in a box, and the seller kind of like draw a heart, and then I was like, ah, that's so cute. And anyway, then these ones, remember, these containers are the ones that came with the other pink thermos that I usually use every day. That one is smaller, so this one is bigger. My daughter is actually waking up. Anyway, I then went ahead and put these grapes. One preferred the other color of the grapes, and the other one preferred the other color. Then I went ahead and put the strawberries. As you can see, I put more on another person and I put less on another. That's because one liked the strawberries more and the other one just doesn't. So it's just balances like that. Anyway, I went ahead and take their lunch bag. These lunch bags, we did get new ones recently. They were just exactly the same because I didn't go to the main shop to buy them. I just buy them in the local supermarket. Anyway, yeah, so that's why they were the same. Kind of like the other one have glitters on the outside while the other ones doesn't. So that's the only difference. And they love these just because of the glitters on the outside. But anyway, we are not there, so we put everything. It didn't fit everything, but so they said they're gonna have the snack on the outside of the lunch bag, and they are ready to go.
Hello everybody. Okay. Hi everybody. Pretty lady. And pretty lady. Yeah, why? How come your mouth is like this?
Like what?
You have cereal on your mouth, so you have to clean it yourself.
No.
I tell you all the time, anytime you finish eating cereal, look at yourself in the mirror. Yeah? It's very important because somebody that don't know you were eating cereal would think you have dribbles. You understand that?
Yeah. This is how I'm struggling. Look.
Okay, let me fix this problem.
So it makes it turn. Look, it's heavy.
Yeah.
So it's turning now. It's
So I think one of the days we will go to Smith's and then we will buy the school these scooters. We're not gonna buy them online anymore. Okay guys,
But Mom, it's the same thing. It's just gonna be turning. You should
No,
buy a
it's
different
not. It's
brand.
not. It's not. The one from Smith are different. I saw them. I saw some kids playing with them. Okay, guys, you have to go now. Adora, please don't go too fast, so you help her, yeah? Okay, bye, guys. Love you guys.
Love you.
You guys didn't give Chiso a kiss.
She was sleeping.
Yeah, you can still give her a peck while she's sleeping. Mwah, 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 mwah. Like,
I just went inside and said, "Hi, Shiso."
like, mwah, 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 mwah.
Hi, Mommy.
Bye, princess. Love you, princess.
Mom, check the letterbox.
Mwah,
Don't
mwah.
forget, 'cause
I will now.